All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products. We do reviews on hotels and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new 4K night vision goggles. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for you. So let's go ahead and check them out. Cleaning cloth for it. User manual. Probably just to keep them protected. Check it out. Very cool. That is a 4-inch display, I believe. They also do send a USB to Type-C along with the strap for it, which we can just put on right now. So we'll just go ahead and clip it onto here. And the other side on here. All right, there we go. And then it does have a way for you, if you have like a tripod that you just kind of want to set it on, you can use that as well. So let's go and actually power them on, and then we'll go ahead and test them out. All right, there we go. That's a very clean display. Very, very cool. And it does record 4K video, and then it does 36 megapixel pictures. And then one thing that I do want to point out is right here is where you would charge it. And it does come with a 32 gigabyte SD card, and it is expandable to up to 256. So if you want to upgrade it, you definitely can. And then I do want to say, so right here, this one, you are able to adjust the focus. So if it's something's a little further away, this one says it'll go up to 1100 feet. And you were trying to focus a little more, this is the one that'll control that for you. So now that we've seen all of that, let's go ahead and go outside and see how it works. All right, we're outside. Right up here, you'll notice that it's in video mode as we speak, and you are able to change it to camera mode. All right, and there it is. It's now on camera mode. And then let's go back to video. And like I said, we're able to adjust the focus. I'm just in my backyard, so it's not super far, but as you can see, the quality is really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and record that. This is really nice. As you can see, very, very good quality, simple to use, does everything you need. I got this piece up here is the rangefinder. This piece right here. I said you got a couple other options on here, but very, very cool night vision goggles. Let's see if we could fix that on my dog here. I'll have to focus it on my phone too. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there we go. But as you can see, it looks really good. Very good quality. So if you guys are looking for some new night vision goggles, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.